this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and thank you for joining me today. We're going to be using the 4-inch round gel press along with the Elements ink pads and some brushes. We're going to start with graphite, so taking a smoothie, I'm just going to start transferring the ink over onto the gel press. Now, most of the colours going at the base of the gel press and just a little around the edge as well, and then I'm just fading it up. Using the fan brush, I'm going to take one of the yellows, the brushos, and I'm going to just sprinkle that in the centre there. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the grey brusho as well. And let's see what we've got. I've got some multifarious card here. I'm just going to pop that down and give that a smooth over. And let's see what we've got. There we go, that's great. Lovely background, ready to stamp onto. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a dry with the heat gun. They are water-based colours, so they do dry quite quickly anyway. So now I'm going to ink up one of our trees. And I need to just mask a little area off. Where I'm going to stamp the tree. So just lining that up now. And just simply give that a good press, let it rest a while. Okay, so now we're going to ink up our lovely little fox, and this time we're inking up in the paprika. And I'm going to just very gently go over in the black as well. I just want a hint of the red coming through, so hopefully that will work. Okay, so just place him down at the base of the tree. And there he is. Okay, so let's just take our moon mask now, and I'm going to pop that over the top. And then taking the twilight, I've got a stencil brush here, I'm just going to go around the edge. Okay. And then taking a nice fine brush now, I'm going to go back to the grey and I'm just going to colour part of the tree in, just to make it a little bit more solid. So I'm using just the brushes to colour in now, or you can use the elements. They're both water based, and because you're painting over the top of the VersaFine, which is an oil based ink, it will repel the water so it won't bleed, so you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so let's just give that a bit of a dry. And you can see how that's made that tree more of a three-dimensional stamp just by colouring in on that one side there. So I'm going to take my white pen and I'm just going to put a little white on the fox, on his chest and just on the end of his tail. I'm just picking up some of these lines on the tree just to highlight this side that much more again. Okay, so we could finish there, but because I've got a nice fingerprint here, I might just put some words over the top. So I'm going to ink up in Twilight now, and I'm going to stamp off first. Actually, this one will probably take the full ink. There we go. It's disguised it a little. And I'm going to do one more at the top, I think. Okay, and it's really that simple. It's just a different way of working with the gel press, which I think is quite nice, quite effective. I hope that you've enjoyed the demo, guys. Thanks so much for taking the time to join me today. You take care and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.